This is an epic change. With the new Cangini Cloud Management System, now you can reduce operating costs, improve utilization of your tools, organize your workload more efficiently, reduce risk, and enhance your business. The new connected onboard control box is the key. It collects data from your activity like working hours, position and movements, mode of use of the blade, automatic or manual. Onboard control box and operator's control panel communicate now in wireless mode. No more wires going through windscreen and exposed to damages. You and your Cangini partner can have a complete real-time overview on your laser-guided Dozer blade. You can control your blade and compare with others from your fleet working in other areas. Also, you can lock the automatic functionality of your blade in case of theft. Through the Internet of Things, Cangini may assist you to correct and improve working parameters of the blade. Eventual malfunctioning will be immediately reported. You will get alerts on regular maintenance operation required. This will help you to reduce operating costs by cutting inefficiencies, better plan your routine maintenance operation, and promptly intervene when repair works are needed to keep your blade at the utmost efficiency. Your business will be stronger.